Today we're taking off this exhaust here. Got a fucking Magnaflow from the glass back and then side exit before the tire. We are changing this. We're keeping the Magnaflow, but no cats either, so that's part of the reason it's so loud. So changing that with this bad boy. This came off like 2014-ish year GMC with a 5.3. So we're gonna cut out that flex pipe right there. We're gonna cut out this muffler and put the Magnaflow here. So we're gonna keep the over axle and the resonator. Yeah, get out of the way, Jesus. And we'll come out the back tire, and I'll have to change the hangers and stuff. But yeah, that's what we're working on. I took the clamp off already here. Here she is. That's what was holding it onto the factory pipe there. But yeah, so I'm gonna wiggle this thing off, start chopping it up and putting the new stuff on. I might even put the electric valve back on, I'm not too sure. But yeah. Hey Karen, what's going on here? Oh shit, we got the exhaust on. One sec, buddy. So, Magnaflow, straight, over axle, and then resonator, and tip. Go ahead, Karen. It's not bad. It's about to fucking fall off there, it's falling down. That looks good. So, that is a fucking keeper, don't you say?
That's not bad.
Okay, well, hangers, clamp, and then we're done. I think the length is good. The fucking pipe and resonator is in a good place. Fuck. Let's go. We're about to do a cold start, boys. It's fucking chilly outside. New exhaust, Magnaflow and resonator. I swear that wasn't mine.